Many of us Africans are not happy with our lives. We are not happy with where we are, even though we are making money, buying cars, and building houses. Deep down, we are not fulfilled. We feel empty. Because fulfillment is not about making money. It is not about getting your dream job to fulfill the ambition of one person while you are wasting away your own life. I don't know how long we will continue to serve these non-Africans. It is extremely important we discover our gifts and discover them fast. We can't keep wasting our time. We can't keep wasting our lives. Our children and children's children will ask us what we've done with our lives. They will ask us where our brains were when these foreigners were using us and taking advantage of our naivety. I know it's hard to survive when you are living abroad. You have a lot of bills to pay, you have a lot of responsibilities back home, and things are not even getting better. You are struggling day and night to make ends meet, but it seems the ends are getting farther apart. They are not meeting anytime soon. So, what do? I think you should reset. You should take a moment and reflect. You should meditate on your life, where you are coming from, where you are, and where you are going. What exactly is most important in your life? What do you want out of life? It is important you ask these questions. Life can't be sweet when you're not happy, and you can't be happy when you are not doing what you love. And you can't do what you love when you have not discovered your purpose. So, everything still boils down to your purpose. This is a fundamental question, and at the same time, a personal question. You must take time and answer this question personally. Life will only work for you if you make it work. It is high time we switched gears and focused on the most important thing in our lives. I know money is important, but most times it comes as a distraction. You must focus on what is most important in your life. You can't be more concerned about getting fuel than where you are going, because it is where you are going that propels you to go look for fuel. So, if you are more concerned about getting fuel than getting to where you are going, then you've definitely misplaced your priorities. People who become rich devote their time and energy to developing their gifts and talents, and money starts running after them. They know what is most important in their life, and they devote their time to achieving it. They are not distracted or wavered. They focus on one thing and achieve great results. So, I encourage you to put your attention on what is most important in your life. Stop dilly-dallying and start focusing on what is important in your life. I see you stepping into a new level of greatness. Read next, Making Sense of Our Strengths. Part 3. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Would you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,335 WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 2. Africa's nuclear weapon. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works, L1. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.